Hello, Karabo here, and in this week of Art of Delegation, we will speak about the OI90 formula. Yes, I'm sure you're sitting there trying to figure out what that could possibly be. Well, I'm here to help. In this week, I'll be speaking about the O in the formula, which is office hours. What that is a time-saving exercise where you schedule 1 hour once or twice a week to resolve issues in the office efficiently and effectively. So for example, one of our co-founders in his office hours last week saved a whole lot of time. So in 45 minutes, he met up with 6 people, resolved 5 issues, and all of this, yes, you heard me right, was done in 45 minutes. Amazing, right? I'm sure you're sitting asking yourself how, when, why, and all of those questions. In next week's video, I'm going to answer all of those questions and enlighten you just a little more. But in the meantime, like, share, and follow, and make sure that you set up your notifications so that you're able to hear from us next week. Thank you.